What's the difference between Toto S7 Washlet at $1,800 and Aura by TUSHY for $599? I grew up in Japan and I've used more bidets than a plumber has ever probably seen in their lifetime. So here's how the features, pricing, and installation of each model compare to help you decide what's best for your bathroom. Let's start with the features that both of these seats share, because there is some real common ground here. Both Aura by TUSHY and the Toto S7 Washlet give you tankless warm water. That means the bidet heats the water as it runs through the seat. This allows the warm water to be instant and endless, which is a premium feature you'll love. Both seats include a heated seat with adjustable temperature settings and a warm air dryer. Both have a nightlight, a self-cleaning nozzle, and a wall-mountable remote control. TUSHY has 4 temperature settings for the water, seat, and air dryer, and the Toto S7 has 5. So at the core experience level, you are getting genuine luxury from both seats. Now here is where they differ slightly. The Toto S7 brings some very specific cleaning technology to the table. The pre-mist feature automatically sprays a fine mist of water over the bowl before you sit down so waste doesn't stick to the ceramic bowl. It also features the eWater Plus feature, where electrolyzed water is used to rinse the wand and bowl after every single use. The Toto S7 also includes an automatic carbon filter deodorizer that draws air through an ionized filter to eliminate odors, and it stores 4 separate user memory presets so every person in the household can save their exact preferences. That is genuinely impressive technology. Toto has been building this system for over 40 years, and it shows. Now, let's talk about what Aura by TUSHY brings to the table, because this is where things get really good. Aura by TUSHY has an auto open and close lid and seat powered by motion sense technology. The lid opens hands-free the moment you walk up to the toilet, and it soft closes on its own. You never have to touch it. And here is the thing I want you to hear clearly. The Toto S7 at $1,826 does not have an auto open lid. You have to pay even more for the Toto S7A model to get that feature. The TUSHY Aura includes it at $599. Aura by TUSHY also uses a retractable stainless steel nozzle paired with UV sterilization and a self-cleaning feature. Looking at the Toto S7 nozzle, it's made out of plastic resin. So after every use, UV light automatically cleans the antimicrobial nozzle for 3 full minutes, and the nozzle washes itself before and after every use. You truly don't have to worry about any cross-contamination when the bidet cleans itself. Just poop, spray, and Aura by TUSHY also has a digital display built into the seat itself that shows you your exact water, seat, and air drying temperatures in real time. This feature looks and feels so premium, and I love it when guests are wowed by it in my bathroom. Next, let's take a look at the installation of each. Installing your own bidet may seem like it would be a difficult and challenging task, but it couldn't be simpler. Seriously, I have installed dozens and haven't run into an issue. The #1 question I get from people considering an electric bidet is whether they need to call a plumber. And the answer is no. You don't need a plumber for either of these seats. This is often a misconception when people get a bidet and want to install it. Anyone can install one. The one thing both seats require that you should know about before you buy is that the TUSHY Aura and the Toto S7 need a grounded 3-prong GFCI electrical outlet near the toilet. If you don't have one, you can also get the same luxurious experience without the electricity in a non-electric model like the TUSHY Wave or the TUSHY Classic. Check out the different options in this video or click the link in the description. I had the TUSHY Wave in my bathroom for 2 years before upgrading to the TUSHY Aura, and I love them both. Many American bathrooms were not built with an outlet behind the toilet. So if yours doesn't have one, you'll need an electrician to install one. That is a one-time cost, typically between $100 and $300, and it applies equally to both of these seats. Once you have the outlet sorted, Aura by TUSHY is designed for a 10-minute DIY installation. The box includes a mounting template that makes aligning the seat perfectly straight and very simple. One important fit note: the TUSHY Aura is designed for elongated toilet bowls only. You can confirm your fit by measuring from the seat bolt holes to the front of the bowl. If that measurement is 18.5 inches or more, you have an elongated bowl. Elongated bowls account for about 70% of toilets in the US, so most people are covered. Now, the Toto S7 installation is also DIY friendly, but it takes a bit more time, typically 20 to 30 minutes. It includes a docking station similar to TUSHY's base plate for easy removal when you need to clean underneath the seat. It's available in both elongated and round bowl models, so it fits any toilet shape. Next, let's look at the pricing and the value you'll get for your dollar. This is the section I know you've been waiting for. Aura by TUSHY costs $599 and the Toto S7 costs $1,826. That is a $1,227 difference. Let me be honest with you about what you are getting for that extra $1,227. The Toto S7 gives you features like pre-mist bold cleaning and an automatic deodorizer and 4 user memory presets. Those are genuinely useful features. If you have a large household with 4 people who all want different settings saved, or if the built-in deodorizer is a must-have for you, the Toto S7 delivers. Aura by TUSHY gives you the same endless warm water, the same heated seat, and the same warm air dryer as the $1,800 model. It adds the auto open lid that the Toto S7 does not have. It adds UV sterilization, it adds a stainless steel nozzle, and it adds the digital display. You are getting more luxury features for $1,227 less. But here is what the math actually looks like for most people. Toilet paper math, to be precise. The average American uses 141 rolls of toilet paper per year. For a family of 4, that's 564 rolls a year. If you think about the cost, that's hundreds of dollars a year spent on toilet paper. Literally hundreds. For most bidet users, they report using up to 75 to 80% less toilet paper after switching to bidets. So for a household of 4 that has a TUSHY bidet, they could save an average of $471 a year on toilet paper alone. If you factor in the amount of money you are saving by reducing your toilet paper usage, a purchase like the TUSHY Aura will pay for itself in just over a year. The Toto S7 would take nearly 4 years of toilet paper savings to break even. Either way, a bidet is a product you'll purchase once but benefit from forever. Your hygiene will thank you, the planet will thank you, and yes, your wallet will too. So looking at the different brands, Toto is an incredible brand with over 100 years of history. The washlet line has been the gold standard in Japan since the 1980s. The legacy is real, but a brand name alone doesn't justify $1,227 more when its lower priced seat actually includes features the expensive model is missing. But again, it's up to you on what features you value the most. So which model is best for you? Let me break this down by the type of person you are, because the right answer genuinely varies by situation. The Toto S7 is the right choice in 3 specific situations. First, if you have a round toilet bowl, the TUSHY Aura will not fit your toilet. The Toto S7 is available in round, so it is your go-to. Second, if you share a bathroom with 4 people who all want different spray settings saved to a remote, the 4 user memory presets on the Toto S7 are a genuine quality of life upgrade. And if you're curious, Aura by TUSHY retains the last user setting, but not multiple. Third, if the built-in automatic deodorizer is a non-negotiable for you and budget is not a concern, the Toto S7 includes that feature. Aura by TUSHY is the smart money choice for everyone else. If you have an elongated toilet seat and you want the full luxury electric bidet experience without spending nearly $2,000, Aura by TUSHY is your answer. You get the hands-free auto open lid and seat, you get the instant and endless warm water, you get the UV sterilized stainless steel nozzle, the heated seat, the warm air dryer, the night light, and the digital display, all for $599. Fun fact, did you know bidets are HSA and FSA eligible, which means you may be able to use pre-tax dollars to buy it. That makes any bidet price tag feel even more reasonable. Yes! So if you are upgrading from a basic single temperature water attachment and wondering whether a $600 bidet is really that different, I want you to hear this. The first time you sit down on a warm seat, feel the warm water, and watch the lid open automatically as you walk in, you will understand. It is a completely different experience. Customers describe it as life-changing, and I genuinely agree. There is a reason why TUSHY has over 100,000 5-star reviews from customers. Aura by TUSHY is the smart money choice for the real-world buyer who wants luxury features, a hands-free experience, and a clean that actually feels like a spa upgrade without paying a brand premium for features the expensive model is actually missing. So if you're ready to make the switch, join the 3 million butts already loving TUSHY, and you can use the link in the description to get a special discount. If you found this comparison helpful, drop a comment below and tell me which seat you are gonna go with. Subscribe to the channel for more gut, butt, and bathroom content, and talk your shit with us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Hello Tushy. See you next time.